here, nibalog dyan mo, kay mo tayo ni Sir Jay gahapon nga, pamalik kaya dyan mo. So I'm happy to see everybody today, to Sir Jay and to all maayong bunta. Before we start with the focus of our today's activity, I'd like to take this opportunity to formally introduce to you the planning team or the planning unit of the university. Because it is my understanding that this is the first year that we have a separate and recognized planning unit in the university in our structure. So first structure, the planning team is under one of the offices under the office of the president. So currently, the office, we are 4 in the planning unit. So I am with me here, our planning team members. We have Sir Lester Charles Chavez. Look dahil lang kita ng video. And we have Ma'am Mimi Lasco. And we also have Ma'am Rachel Kaimpoy, pero wala siya today for a very also important personal event. Okay, we are introducing to you the planning unit because we are often confused with the previous structure. Yung may tinatawag na pala tayo sa campuses na planning persons, pero they're actually now the persons handling our, or they're part of the PDU, or the Project Development Unit. So, just to avoid the confusion, the planning unit now is not the same as the planning engineers that we had before. So, pag sinabing planning engineers, they are now under the Office of Engineer Albert, our Project Development Unit. So, kung titignan, we are only 4 currently in the office, pero dapat we are 5. We are still in the process of hiring 1 more additional planning officer. So, hopefully, the next month, na siya, so 5 na me. And the planning unit is supposed to handle all the planning activities of the university-wide. Considering our number, it is indeed very tasking and very ano siya ba? Imposible na we can reach to all of the campuses na 5 na kabuo. So, but then we are up for the challenge. To remedy this situation, it was agreed with the president that we'll be asking collaborations and representations from the rest of the campuses. So, kailangan mi sa main, so okay mi sa main, pero we are asking help from the campuses. So, for events like this and for university-wide events, medyo challenging siya to be handled by a 4-person team. This lead us to ask more help and collaborations with other members of or personnel in the university. For strategic planning purposes, I'd like to emphasize that we created or formed a team specific for strategic planning. So the persons na ma-encounter ninyo today conducting our activity are members of the strategic planning team. We have chosen this few individuals to be part, or we are asking their help to help the planning unit in the strategic planning purposes for 2 reasons. So number 1, professional reason, of course, because these individuals are, I believe, equipped with the knowledge to help us conduct successfully our strategic planning efforts. The second reason is for convenience. They're the first individuals I know when I joined as a newbie, when I joined RMSU. So, medyo may part siya na yung user-friendly. So, yun yung reason doon. That's why we tapped this person to help us, specifically for strategic planning purposes. And I believe in terms of their professional track, that they will be formally introduced by our host today. Okay, so
And our next, so for today, our today's focus is on yung data gathering for our strategic planning university-wide na. But before that, we will also be giving you a talk or a session on Lean Six Sigma, because as part of the planning unit, it is my hope that as an institution, as a university, the JRSU in the near future would be an institution practicing and following the methodologies and the techniques under the Lean Six Sigma. So para, di ba, we are saying and we are hearing concerns na ang atong mga problema sa university balik-balik. So, and Lean Six Sigma methodology is a very good approach, and so hopefully we can address those recurring concerns that we have as individual performer and as an institution to address these concerns. So, that's all, and thank you very much. I am hoping that we'll have a very productive discussion for today's